Okay. Hi, my name is Akumishi Ainaje.
Matani Raja.
Udi Christopher.
My name is Peter Chris.
Audu Zurio.
My name is Maru Said.
Adela Yongo.
Chimdianihe.
My name is Khalil Yakubu.
Oliji Echebuni.
Cultures and colors.
Africa.
The story of Africa.
By Africans.
This
Then
is the story of creativity.
This is the story of resilience.
This is the story of sustainability.
This is the story of culture.
The story of agency. This is the story of unity.
This is the story of identity.
This is the story of truth. This is the story of representation.
This is the story of dignity.
This is African storytelling. Real, nuanced, unforgettable.
Showing the world not what they expect, but what they must celebrate.